Namaskaram and welcome to all our dear customers. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive handwoven sarees. Started in the year 2012 from a first store in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Now we have 17 stores all across South India. Beat the quality, the collection or the prices, we always have the best for our lovely customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and amazing interiors too. Dear customers, today's episode is going to be about beautiful, lightweight, pretty Banaras Georgette saree, and let me start with the first one in grey color. So here I have a beautiful grey with navy blue color Banaras Georgette saree. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have florals and leaves jal in silver zari. Beautiful work all over the grey color body. Our border, which is in navy blue color, has small florals and leaves jal on the edge, and then we have florals and leaves jal again in silver zari with a zari line at the edge. Here's the lovely contrasting pallu in navy blue color for your grey saree, and on the pallu we have beautiful florals and leaves jal with peacocks. All the work is in silver zari. Here's a contrasting navy blue color blouse for the grey color Banaras Georgette saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you are sitting when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time. Here I have a beautiful peach with red color Banaras Georgette saree, and let me show you the body. On the body, we have florals and leaves jal in silver zari, and then we have deers, lions, elephants, peacocks, all inside the florals and leaves jal, creating a beautiful forest theme effect. On a red color border, we have small leaves jal on the edge, and then we have a bigger florals and leaves jal with cross lines and a small floral and leaf jal. Again, all the work is in silver zari. Here's a beautiful bright contrasting pallu in red color, and we have lovely forest theme work all over it. We have animal motifs, we have elephants, lions, deers and peacocks with florals and leaves jal work around them in silver zari. Here's a contrasting blouse in red color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's a beautiful elegant saree in off-white, red and blue color. Let me show you the body of this one. On the body, we have this geometrical pattern. We have these boxes, and inside boxes we have diamonds. All the beautiful work is in gold zari. Our border is in blue and red color, so we have zigzag lines in gold zari with small dollar butties. Again, we have diamonds with boxes, and then we have the blue part of the border on which we have florals and leaves jal, and we again have dollars and zigzag lines. All the beautiful work in gold zari. The contrasting pallu has florals and leaves jal in gold zari, and then we have floral brocade work on the blue color pallu. Here's a contrasting blue color blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can come back, watch it again, share it with your friends and family, and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here's a beautiful turquoise blue with green color Banaras Georgette saree, and let me show you the body of this one. On the body, we have beautiful florals and leaves jal, creating a lovely check pattern, and inside that we have floral butties. All the work in silver zari. Our border, which is in green color, has polkas in lines, and we have wavy lines. In lines, we again have zari lines with polkas and zigzag lines. All the work again in silver zari. Here's the beautiful contrasting pallu, which has zigzag lines, brocade work all over it. And here's a lovely contrasting blouse in green color for this lovely turquoise blue saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. The weaver's prices are valid only for limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Our next beautiful saree is in a lovely two tones of pink. Let me show you the body first. On the body, we have zari pattern created with different sizes, zari lines in silver zari. Our border, which is in a very bright shade of pink, has leaves in silver zari, and then we have these leaf butties, smaller leaf butties in the zari lines, and also cross lines in silver zari. Beautiful work on the pink color border. On the bright pink color contrasting pallu, we have leaves and lines in silver zari, and then we have floral brocade work. All the beautiful work in silver zari on your bright pink color pallu. Here's the contrasting bright pink blouse for your pink color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, you can also shop by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box. These links will take you to our website kanchivml.com, and there you can add this saree and many such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the order right away. Here's our next beautiful saree, again in two tones of green this time. And we have light green and bottle green colors. Here on the body we have florals and leaf jal in silver zari, and we have these animal motifs. So we have horse, we have lions, we have elephants, peacocks, deer, such beautiful forest theme work on the body. Our border, which is in bottle green color, has lovely forest theme work here. So we have lions, tigers and deers with florals and leaf jal. Then we have these zigzag lines and cross lines and small floral jal in silver zari. Here's a beautiful contrasting pallu in bottle green color, and we have tigers with deers and florals and lines. We have huge paisley buttees inside them. We have this detailing of forest theme work, and we have florals and leaf jal work around it in silver zari. Here's a contrasting blouse for your light green saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. We provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The Weavers prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can come back, watch it again, share it with your friends and family, and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. You can also shop for our sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box. They will take you to our website kanchivml.com, and there you can buy this saree and many such beautiful sarees directly by adding them to your cart and placing the order right away. Dear customers, I hope you really enjoyed today's episode, which was about Banaras Georgette saree. Very pretty, very lovely sarees. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.